You're getting your disability insurance from your company, and you may have another disability that you bought a long time ago. Now you're interested in a new one. Do you think it's advisable to change this disability insurance and just completely take it out of the picture and buy a new one, or just get another one to on top of it?
Before I would ever advocate that anybody replace existing insurance, and that's insurance on any plan, is to really do a careful review of the existing coverage. And the reason is, let's say you bought that policy 10 years ago. So you're paying rates from when you were younger, and so typically to get new coverage for all that income today is going to be more expensive. However, if it turns out that you're with a company that you question their financial strength and their ability to pay claims down the road, or you feel there are more features that are available today, then you could certainly go ahead and do that. And if the plan's only a couple years old, then if you're with a carrier who is more competitively priced, you may not see that premium difference. So I couldn't say cut and dry, yes or no, you should replace it. You could consider doing that, but I would make sure that you're working with an agent who's going to do a very careful review of the policy that you have before making a recommendation to replace that coverage.
So it's actually, since it's underwritten, it goes back to the 10 years before your health and whatever it is that you had by then.
Yes, if you've experienced, let's say you had a skiing accident and you have had a severe bad knee injury. When you look at new coverage today, they may say, well, we'll cover you, but we're going to exclude or rider out anything that happens to your knee. If you have an older policy that doesn't have an exclusion on that, you're not going to want to replace that, or you may not want to replace that coverage, and should think carefully before doing so.
Yes.